Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create this macrame flower and how to attach it to your wall hanging. Let's get started. The materials you will need include a ring, mine is 1 inch wide, and 9 feet of rope. This method will also work if you're interested in creating a bigger flower, just keep in mind that you will need a little bit more rope. The flower is created by tying a series of lark's head knots. To tie the first lark's head knot, bring your rope in front of the ring, through the ring, and back in front on the left side of the end of the rope, across the front of the end of the rope, behind the ring, and back through the ring in the loop created with your string. Repeat the same process all the way around your ring, leaving extra rope in between each lark's head knot to create the flower petals. Here's what it looks like so far. I recommend making a few slight adjustments as you make your flower so that all the petals are the same size. We will now create the inner petals. Using the exact same method, create smaller petals by leaving less rope in between each of your lark's head knots. Please note, I am creating my flower from the back. Once I'm finished, I will flip it around so that I don't see the front of the lark's head knots. If you like the look of the lark's head knots at the front, you can keep it as is, or if you want to flip it over to the other side and you want your smaller petals in front of your flower, you will need to create them behind your larger petals, as we will flip the flower over once finished. You can keep both ends to attach the flower to your wall hanging, or if you want to tuck in one or both ends, I'll show you how to do that. Using a tapestry needle, thread one end through the lark's head knot. Thread the end through one more lark's head knot and then cut off the extra rope. I'll show you how to attach your flower to one of your macrame pieces. This one is quite easy to attach because I can attach it in between my row of lark's head knots and my row of double half hitch knots. Using a tapestry needle, thread the end through your wall hanging to attach it. You can tuck in the end at the back, or you can just leave it hanging. Thanks so much for watching. I love to see your work, so please feel free to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up below, and if you have any feedback, please feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials.